What's up, everybody? I want to make this fast. I got a lot to open. Been waiting to do it online because I figure it's all good, you know. I got a couple open up. I had a big yard sale and sold maybe 8 pieces out of my collection. Now I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to be a retailer or am I going to be a collector or what. I'm already crying about it, but it's all good. So I figured I'll buy some generic stuff to show them. And some other pieces I just want, buy what you like, kind of thing.
And he was right about it because he knew he was getting ripped off, but he wouldn't be able to do anything about it.
Those are probably going to be all right.
We're going to have those highways running the opposite direction. We're going to have a lot of trade, but it's going to come in to our country.
Silver Town or Silverman or somebody. But you know how I'm saying, got to get it done. And then of course there's eBay. Pit Bullion turned me on to a place I'm checking out now. I sold a lot of Buffalo printed square bars. I sold some Pit Bullion pieces in my yard sale. I got to get me some more, like I say. I don't know if I'm a collector or a trader. I guess I'm going to do both. I just replace what I like and sell it again, I guess. Another good bar. National. Mail call. We're going to do this in one take. You know that, right? Right. There's some I liked. You know, bubble wrap don't need to be taped, dumb people. If you're going to put something in something else, you don't need to tape to something. Oh, this is a... I believe this is a Heidi piece.
100%. They may not know it yet, but they're paying. Believe me, they're paying.
I like that kind of thing.
They haven't figured that one out yet.
The hell else I got? Damn. Tell you what. We'll figure it out. Oh, this is a book. Oh, I'm into this Santos Bonito stuff. But that's it. Some pieces for my collection. Here's another little deal. This is how I started with this one. And then I went to this one. And then I went to this one. And now I found one that's a nice big square and I done got it full. That's for another time. I got my camera hanging off some funky brig, so I want to make short of it. You guys have a good evening. Thank you.